Now question of the day, here two string T1. Now question of the day, here two string, this one, and here 2 kg block. If this whole system in equilibrium, then what about T1 and T2? Tension generated in T1 and here tension generated in this string T2. So how can determine T1, T2 if whole system in equilibrium? Whole system in equilibrium, it means net force on that system is 0. So you can say net force is 0. It means sum of f of x this will be equal to 0 and sum of f of y is also 0. So first of all, make free body diagram. Okay. So if you make free body diagram, 2 kg block is how much? 2 into g downward. Okay. Now here T1 and here T2. Component of T1 along x-axis, how much? T1 sin T1 cos 30 degree and here T1 sin 30 degree. Same thing here T2. Component of T2 along x-axis, T2 cos 60 degree and T2 sin 60 degree. Okay. Here x-axis, here y-axis. Net force on x direction is 0. So you can say T1 cos 30 this equal to T2 cos 60. Written like that one. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. So what about root 3 times T1 this equal to T2? That is equation number 1. After that, net force along y direction is also 0 because that whole system in equilibrium, that's why. So component of T1 sin 60 plus T2 sin 30, sorry, T1 sin 30 plus T2 sin 60 is equal to how much? 2g. G means 9.8. I know that here T1 sin 60 is sin 30 is 1 by 2 and T2 into that one sin 60 is how much? Root 3 by 2. This will equal to 2g 9.8. After that multiply by 2, then multiply by 2 in all side, then we got T1 plus root 3 here 2 so T1 plus root 3 T2 this will equal to 4 times 9.8. now here T2 you replace to root 3 T1, then we got like that one. So that was T1 plus 3 T1 this will equal to 4.98. okay. So that is 4 T1 this will equal to 4 into 9.8. So 4 cancel. We got T1 this will equal to 9.8. After that value put here. Then we got T2 is how much? 16.97 Newton. Okay. I hope so clear. Make it.